Theater. Great day for vlogging. Look at that. The sun is up. There's no rain. There are no dark clouds. Ay. Okay, it's such a sunny day. And so we're here and we will try to ask, okay, do I pass through the side or do I pass through the the center? Syempre sa center, no? Yes, kasi nandun po yata ang talagang main gate. Ayan, I would like to see that. Okay. So para mga Siamese dancers. Okay, because this is a theater, Metropolitan Theater of Manila. Parang the same lang siya. So the same lang siya na mga statues. And of course, we know that those statues were actually sculpted by Francesco Ricardo Monte. So he stayed here. Oo, since the 1930s. Okay. So he really stayed here so that he can work on many of those statues. So he was commissioned. And what else did he make? He made also that one of the statue at UST and also the angel statues at the Quezon Memorial Circle. Ayun po. So we know that this is Loton, a transportation hub. It used to be like that. So, but right now there are many transportation hubs, like we have PITX. So that is a main road going to the Quezon Bridge, which is leading to Quiapo area. Okay. So as you can see, we have there the grills. Okay. They look like abaca, and of course there are fruits and yeah, fruits and flowers, and the designs there. So are those the minarets that are actually meant? Oh yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Mayroon pa sa loob, no? So anyway, let's try to take a better view of this. Metropolitan, that is Manila Metropolitan Theater. So best view is of course across the street, right? Because you will be able to take a better look. Best view, as I said that one last time, no? These are actually painted antique gold. Yes. And this one is anay finish. The walls here are anay finish and beautiful, no? light color. Okay, so it's time for me to enter. Is it? Can I? Is the door open now? Hello, will the Metropolitan Theater open its doors to me today? Nakapasok din po ako. So that is actually Ritual Dance by Fernando Amorsolo. Ayan po, sa taas. At ito, yung mga balusters are... ito, yung kung babae yan, that is Eve. Yan po si Eve. Tapos, doon sa kabila, that is Adam. At yun po ang... Yan po ang isa pa. The History of Music. That is called The History of Music. So, going up the stairs, at ito po yun, nakakonect sa baluster, grills, gentlemen and the ladies. Yan. Ito po, kung kailan sinimulan. Tapos, ayan, Benigno Aquino III. Ayan po. Okay. Okay. Ayan, nagbukas. Nagbukas. Hello. Okay. Ayan, nagbukas. At meron silang picture taking, I think. Okay. Good morning. So, Adam and Eve. Sabi raw po yung walls were made of anay finish para hindi smooth yung walls, which is good for the acoustic. Okay, yung mga uneven walls are really good for the acoustics. Meaning sa sound system nila, mas maganda. Pambansang yamang, pangkalinangan. Yes, ayan. Cultural treasure. It's a national cultural treasure. At the same time, it's also a national landmark. Yes po. Ayun. Uy. Ito, actually, I would like to explain, hindi din po yan original because the original paintings were actually sent to the GSIS office. Sa GSIS Museo ng Sining. Okay, so ito po is just a copy of the copy. Yung ritual dance po ay nawala noong World War II. Yung sa kabila naman po, in history of music. The history of music is also a copy of the Amor Solo painting. So painted, the original. So ngayon, both copies of copy of the copy. Ito original pa yung kay Amor Solo. Yung isa, ito po yung ritual dance ay Okinopia. No, ginawaan ni Roger San Miguel. Si Roger San Miguel. Okay. Grabe din po, no? O syempre, mas ano po, mas luma. Mas luma, iyaan. Ano kayang ginamit nila dyan sa mga lights? The Metropolitan Theater. That one is Arroceros. So, wala na pong music si Simply Jane. Napakahirap po may copyright tayo sa music. So, that is actually the yung music ko na lang, yung traffic of Metro Manila. Ayan po. So, anyways, okay, nakita nyo na po, napakaganda ng Manila Metropolitan Theater. Ayan po. So, made by Crot Glass Company. So, I suppose, German po yan. Yung Crot Company. Okay. So, actually, itong garden na yan, malaking ano din po, greens. Meron pa po doon, may hand garden. Marami din po mga trees. And then, aside from that, Arroceros, syempre, Forest Park. Diba? Grabe, no? Grabe si Francesco. May gawa din po siya doon sa Iloilo at saka doon sa Bacolod City, Lagoon. Yun. Ang galing niya, no? Ayan po ang mga elements ng Art Deco. Art Deco elements. Ganyan. At syempre, merong mga floral motifs dyan po sa taas. At ayun, ano ba yan? Abaka o banana leaves. Ayan, dito naman na side. O, diba? Nagkaroon tayo ng chance na ikutin siya. Kahit yan na lang ang inyong enjoyin.